welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best vegan butter, creamy and delicious. Okay, so the vegan butter, what we're going to take is a cup of melted, refined coconut oil. It has to be refined because if it's the extra virgin coconut oil, you'll have a coconut taste to your butter. So refined coconut oil, 1 cup melted into the blender. Okay, so now I have 1/3 cup of soaked cashew nuts. I soaked them for about 6 hours in warm to medium warm water. Okay, into the blender. And then I have 1/4 cup of canola oil. The canola oil will give the butter a more buttery taste. Into that we go. And next I have 1/4 cup of cashew milk, unsweetened cashew milk, plain. Okay, I also have 1 teaspoon of raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. This will give the butter a bit of a cultured taste. And I have 1 tablespoon of soy lecithin. You can also use sunflower lecithin. This is used as an emulsifier, and it helps to blend the liquids in with the oils. It's very sticky, so I would recommend the tablespoon be coated in oil before putting the lecithin onto it because it is very sticky. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you want a less salty butter, then just omit the salt. You might want this if you're using the butter for a frosting. And if you want less of a cultured flavor, then omit the apple cider vinegar. As well, if you want to use, if you want a harder butter, one that you would use for pastries, then just reduce the amount of canola oil because the canola oil softens up the butter. Okay, so now we're going to blend it all together, and we'll blend it on a high speed for about 2 minutes just to get it nice and whipped. Okay, so it's all blended up. And I'm going to pour it into this mold. I have a little silicone mold, and then it will go into the fridge. The silicone mold really helps with when it's hardened up to get it out easily. So I'm gonna pour it right in. It's nice and creamy. The cashews really add a good flavor and also an extra creamy texture. Just large enough. So you can use any shape. I just have these rectangular molds. Okay, so that is going to go into the fridge, and it will takes about maybe 3 hours to set in the fridge. Okay, so when it comes out of the fridge, this is what it looks like. A nice big block of creamy vegan butter. And I just have some crackers here that I'll put some of this on just to taste it. Delicious. Definitely rockstar quality. Thanks so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more rockstar quality vegan recipes, including a pancake recipe which features this deliciousness on top.